Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open a Hyundai Genesis key fob. First, locate the small button on the side of your key fob. This button is designed to release the emergency key. Press and hold it firmly. Once pressed, you can then pull the emergency key straight out from the top of the fob. This step is crucial as it reveals the access point for opening the main casing. Now that the emergency key is out, you'll see a small slot where it was housed. This is your entry point. Take a small, flathead screwdriver or a dedicated plastic prying tool. Carefully insert the tip into this slot. With a gentle twisting motion, apply slight pressure. You should hear a small click as the two halves of the key fob begin to separate. Work slowly to avoid damaging the plastic. With the key fob open, you'll see the small coin cell battery. Most Hyundai Genesis key fobs use a CR2032 battery. Carefully pry out the old battery using a non-metallic tool to avoid shorting it. Make sure to note its orientation. Then, insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, facing upwards. This ensures proper function and power delivery. Once the new battery is in, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing. Press them together firmly around the edges until you hear and feel them click securely into place. Finally, slide the emergency key back into its slot until it locks. Test your key fob's functions, like locking and unlocking, to ensure everything is working correctly. You've successfully opened and serviced your key fob.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.